Welcome to English in a Minute. If you have ever heard American English before, you have probably heard this phrase.
That's just my 2 cents.
Does it make you wonder what pennies have to do with giving someone advice? Let's listen and find out.
I love Nickelback.
I think their music is really boring and everybody doesn't like them, but that's just my 2 cents.
My 2 cents is a different way of saying my opinion or my thoughts on the subject. 2 cents isn't a lot of money. So saying something is just my 2 cents worth is saying that your opinion might not be worth that much to someone else. In life, everyone will not always agree with you. So saying this lets people know that. And that's English in a Minute.